us a new toy here. Jordan, go ahead and open it up for us.
All right, I'm gonna do it by doing this right here. See what we got in here.
Brand new shifter. Look at that. Pull it out and show us what it does.
It's a Pro Gate. I tell you that. It says it right here on the shifter itself.
Heck yeah.
B, whatever that is, M. All right. Look at this.
Yeah, if anybody knows what that little thing in between B and M is, I don't know what that is.
Yeah, what the heck, little B.
What's BM?
B, M. You know. Hey, they shipped it to us in parks. That way, you know, it don't roll around or anything.
You got to make sure it stays still in that box.
Shoot, it's got. You see what that is?
Race, man.
Race mode.
It's got race gear.
Oh my gosh! Just
listen to that noise.
Just somebody say, "You want to race?"
Put it in that race
All you got to do is drop it down one, and you are ready to go.
Yeah, you got to move it over one too.
All right.
Otherwise, you're not actually in race gear if you don't move it over. Yep, push it over. Come on, guy. There you go. Now it's in race gear.
It really works.
All right, well, we're going to take that thing and the rest of the stuff in this box, the cable and everything. We're going to put it in this here car. We're going to see how well it works anyways.
We're going to just throw it right in.
See how that works. Hey, is that thing in park?
It's in park now.
All right, shove it in that hole.
All right, we're just going to...
Oh, that might work.
It might. I mean, park would be way up here, but, I mean...
See if it works in first.
There's reverse.
Race, sir.
Neutral.
That's not reverse.
Oh yeah, race gear. My bad. Let's see. There's drive, and drive's perfect right there, dude.
Yeah, literally
third,
the middle of it.
Second, and first. So when we're racing, you just whoop, wop, whoop, wop.
And you got to make sure you hit R, because then that's your real fast gear.
And once it's mounted and all, you should be able to slap it and just like, oh my gosh, dude, that is what's up. That's pretty good.
It's a pretty nice little fit. I'll show you from further out. I mean, it doesn't look bad. As long as we can mount it all right and get our cable to our transmission, it should work pretty good.
Heck yeah, we'll get right to it. We should be able to install this thing in about, I'm thinking 5 minutes. Tops.
I'm gonna say 10.
I mean, I'm Master Tech. I went to ASC certification school one time. You know, I know what I'm talking about. All right.
All right. Well, I'm gonna say 10 minutes. Jordan's gonna say 5, but it's probably gonna be right after this. Just like that. It's installed. Go ahead and shift us in gears.
All right. Well, I'm not holding the brake, but I'll hey, park and brake.
All right. Let me put that down real quick.
Yeah, just to make sure.
All right. Try her again.
All right. There's reverse.
Well, it let out of gear. The car moved.
Okay.
That's race gear, sir.
Oh, yeah, race gear. Oops. I did that twice.
Well, it looks like it's working, though.
Drive. Third. Second. First.
It's very nice.
I slammed my hand into the computer.
All right. So, the car moved, so technically I should be able to let this e-brake off. I'm going to hold the brake, e-brake off. Now put us in neutral. We are rolling. Now put it in park.
We'll have to go through race mode, park. There we go.
And we're not moving. We did it.
Heck yeah, dude.
We got us a new shifter. We no longer have to use this thing, which you could hardly ever find the gear that she's in. Now we're going to know what gear we're in. So we should actually be able to do good burnout now without it trying to shift to first and second and third every time. So now it should stay in the gear that we want and do a pretty good burnout, which we're going to test right after this.
Cold start. Get a little leaf blower action in there. Look at that. Blowing the grass away.
just to make sure we do a good burnout today, we're engaging our secret
There it is.
line lock engaged.
One touch. 2 fingers. That's all you need.
That's all you need, Jordan. All right, well, we're gonna hop in this baby and start it up and go. Start that brick.
Ooh, we gotta wait for it to go ahead and load up.
It's already warm enough. The fan's on.
Yeah, but I like to wait for the screen to load up. I'm weird, guys. There she is. All right, you ready?
Yep.
It's my first time with the line lock.
Oh yeah.
I love just being able to just go right into here.
It's a very satisfying click too. Got our leaf blower going.
Yeah, that's what I said in my video earlier. I was like, we got this good old leaf blower right here. Should we test it in the driveway and see if it goes out at first?
Yeah. So get up to like 15 or 20, see if it tries to change. Did it change it?
Nope. We'll just leave him locked.
So we might be able to do a good burnout. Maybe now, unlike these cars, maybe now it won't
Brick.
and change a gear every 2 seconds.
We'll test that
Brick.
right here. I don't know if you're going to or not.
No, we'll do it when we come back. Let's get a little bit more heat in the trans and stuff. Okay, you ready?
Do what?
You ready?
Yep.
Just like that, it went to 3rd gear. Alright, so we're in 3rd gear on that. In 3rd gear on the dash.
See
If I
we
put
got a
it in
second.
drive, go straight to 4th gear.
4th gear.
We did something right. Now we get to see if it'll do a burnout.
Let's see, do a 2nd gear pull?
Try it.
Oh.
Oh, a little bit of backfire. A little sketchy, ain't she?
That one spot in the road. You ready?
Alright, so we're in 1st gear. Go for it.
Oh, that wasn't good.
What's all that smoke? Or is that just from the
That was tires.
I think, yeah, that was just okay, good. It scared me. I seen it come in here and like,
Brick.
Now let's get out of this area.
yeah. Hell yeah. She does a burnout, boys. She does a pretty good burnout, I must say. Hell yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed the video.